everybody! Welcome back to another episode of Acer EduTorial. Who's ready to meet their next laptop? Let's go! Are the laptops I'm choosing for my school built to last? Well, laptops are an investment for schools and families, so it's key to choose durable and reliable devices. Did you know that our recommended laptops for education boasts a military-grade durability certification? They're tested to ensure performances across all temperatures, humidity, range, and rain exposure. In other words, get ready for outdoor classes. All devices are also subjected to vibration and drop testing. No matter what, they endure transportation, handling, and accidental falls from desks. They're simply built to last. But they are not only tough on the outside. Teachers and higher education students don't fear heavy multitasking. Their computing performances are powered by the latest Intel Core processors. It's no mystery that younger students require more durable devices. To further protect your investment, 11 and 12 inches devices come with a ruggedized design. On top of the military standard certification, these laptops are built with a reinforced chassis with a honeycomb structure and shock-absorbent bumpers. And that goes for both clamshell and convertible laptops. No matter where learning happens, these devices are ready for anything. Oops! And if you're looking for some extra protection against bacteria, selected models also offer a unique antimicrobial treatment. That means more protection on the various touch surfaces, from the display to the touchpad, from the palm rest to the keyboard. Speaking of, let's talk about their keyboards for 1 second. These laptops' anchored keys cannot be removed accidentally, so you won't need maintenance to replace them. There's one more thing you need to know about these keyboards. They can drain up to a full glass of liquid. They're accident-free. Oops! No more excuses for missing deadlines. From one type of durability to another, our laptops for education can last through a full school day with just a single charge. That's right, you heard me. That means lighter backpacks and tighter desks. And also that you can leave your charger home. Now you know what you need to make the right choice and investment for your school. Follow our upcoming episodes, and if you need further information, visit the Acer blog to download our exclusive guide. It's very useful to compare devices and make your pick. Thank you all for joining us. I can't wait to see you all for the next episode. Bye!